What's up, Dough Masters? Welcome back to episode 20 of Roll for Sourdough, the chaotic baking series where I like to dice control my loaves. And today we're using the Draconic Ember dice from Die Hard Dice. And as always, this series is inspired by Roll for Sandwich, Roll for Barbecue, and Roll for Breakfast, and all the other amazing Roll for content out there. Let's get into it and see what the dice have in store for us today. And we go with the Chaos Roll, and it is a 15 for Wild Magic, so this could get crazy. Let's get into the seasonings. And we start with a 16 for curry powder. Not bad. We've had it before. It's a very powerful flavor. And then we got 11 seasoned salt. I love seasoned salt. I've used it since I was a kid. It is Lowry seasoned salt. Did you know that Lowry seasoned salt is salt, sugar, paprika, turmeric, onion, garlic, and other flavorings? Now let's get into the inclusions. We got 3 for cheese. And then what's the second one going to be? Because so far it's turning out great. And we got another cheese. Double cheese. It is going to be a cheesy loaf. So let's get the cheese in there. I used Colby Jack and mozzarella shreds. That was all I had in my fridge, so that's what we used today. I'm excited. I don't think this can go wrong. So let's see what Wild Magic has in its Chaos Surge. Chaos Surge means I roll 2 more Wild Magics and use both of them. So here we go with roll number 1 of the new Wild Magics, and we roll a 10 for roll again and combine. So that means 2 more seasonings, 2 more inclusions. So let's get into it. What seasonings we're getting? We're getting 11 seasoned salt again. This is going to be extra salty. And then we rolled a 1 mustard. Yeah, I had to do it. But let's get them into the bowl. So here is more seasoned salt, and I didn't have mustard power, so I'm using mustard out of the bottle. So here we go, and with 2 more inclusions, we get 20 Oreo. This is going bad very quickly. And then we roll a 4 for sauteed veggies, and at least that's good. I decided to go with mushrooms because I really like mushrooms. So here we go with the sauteed mushrooms, and here we go with some Oreos, 4 Oreos crushed into the dough. I don't know about this, guys. This one is chaotic, this one's crazy, but they're in. Here goes roll number 2 of the Wild Magic, and we rolled 8 for Stuff It. I have to put something in the middle of the loaf stuffed, and so I chose cheese. I chose cheddar cheese. Might as well kept going with the cheese. This is a half a block of cheese. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but it is a half a block of cheese in the middle of this bread. So we get it all rolled up as much as I can into the center of the bread, hoping for like a cheesy explosion. We'll see. I've never done it before. Getting it all prepared to go into the oven, and here it is finished. Some of the cheese leaked out of the top, out of the sides, out of the bottom. There's cheese everywhere when it came out the oven. It looks amazing. The yellow, the brown. It's crazy to think that the brown is chocolate and mushrooms. Chocolate and mushrooms. Now here we go with the taste, and it was all over the place. I got curry powder, I got the mustard, I got the mushrooms, I got the chocolate, I got the cheese. It was just all over the place. None of it was very good. It was a monstrosity. It really was. So that is why I call this one Monstrosity. I gave it a 4 out of 10. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching 20 episodes, and I will be back Sunday with a new episode.